Hello guys, welcome back, and I'm in Animal Company today with this guy that I met in a random lobby. It's okay, I think he's fine. Okay, but we're gonna check out the planet update, it looks like, and I think it has broccolis in it. Let's do it! Okay, I'm gonna get you a gravel hook, because we might need it. People, like, yeah.
I've
seen a little bit of videos on it.
I'm gonna get myself a backpack.
Yeah, okay, here's this.
Oh, this.
I got those broccolis from someone else that I traded in my inventory. If you're just wondering how I had that big bag of broccolis. Okay, yeah, let's go check this out. And hold up, I need to turn on my flashlight. Okay.
I think I know where it is.
You do?
Yeah, I think it's straight.
Yeah, I know you go straight. It might, but like, I don't know where the hell. Okay.
Yeah.
It's this way.
It's this way?
Yeah. Because it has the blue light and the blue.
And it's this way.
Oh, what's this? It's a wire.
And guess what?
Hey.
Guess what?
This is sick.
Guess what?
Huh.
Today's my birthday.
Oh, happy birthday.
Yeah.
Oh,
And I have my GoPro.
That was called.
Me.
And now, I think we should go. What does this do? This broccoli. Oh! Okay. What's that planet? Hold on. Oh! I'm gonna mine these, and then I'm gonna go get some broccolis. Okay. Not a singular thing? What the heck? What? Not a singular research point from all of that? That's crazy. Take this, put that there. Okay, I'm gonna grab some of these. Backpack ain't full, because I also grabbed some more broccoli from, oh, this is, hold up. Yeah, there's been a bunch of people dying with broccoli. They turn small, bam, I hit them with the rock. Hold up, what is this full of? Yeah, it's full of broccolis. I'm gonna get a new bag. Never seen these ones before. When there's rain, there's thunder! Okay, that's sick. Bro's humongous. Like Big Chungus. Oh. What did I? Oh. Okay, I want to see if I can fit outside. Oh wow, that's if your noise up bad.
Outside of the map.
Oh, bro ate too much.
Oh, what's happening? There's thunder!
Oh, you're so big.
No,
Yeah.
what's this way? There's thunder.
Oh, I fit through. I fit through. Hiya. Okay. Big chunkies. No, that's the Edgarstone. Why did I say that?
Okay.
Ah! Oh. Oh no. I thought it was gonna stay big, but okay. Yeah, me too. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's leave this place.
Small.
And then I want to check out the little dinghy, that poster that I saw up there. Oh no, that might be the. Yeah, that might be this. I think so.
Go to the new Dolphin map.
The new what?
Dolphin map.
Lava map?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I've been there once, I think. I don't have enough room in my backpack.
No, I'm gonna be very fast.
Okay.
No, I tripped.
Oh, frick.
Ow! Ow! I'm dying! Oh, you
Hey,
can get me!
big chunky!
Oh, you can get me!
Big chunky!
Big Chungus is right there.
Yeah, I'm gonna call this guy Big Chunkus for now. Yeah, it's fine. Die.
Yeah, let's see what he dropped for us.
Oh, crossbow.
Yeah.
Nice. Hold up, I'm gonna get these. Please give me a research point. 7. I think 6 research points. Or no, I probably need more to but
I can only get 3 more. Actually, I can only get like 2 more.
oh,
Yeah.
nice.
Let's go, let's go.
This way.
Let's go.
Cause the eyes are blue and light, and I ooh,
Let's go back.
right here. Yeah, let's go back. Let's go back. Okay, let's hit it. Oh! Hold up.
In the rain! This humongous!
Wait, hold up. When there's rain, there's thunder.
Let's go! Thunder!
Okay, let's find out what we got.
Let's see what we got.
Okay.
Oh! We can be really tiny, you know that?
Yeah. Wait, does it stack? Wait, hold on. I'm gonna see if it stacks. With 2. Wait, hold up. Let me have that one. Let me have one. It does stack. I could be the world's smallest person.
Yo, you can. Well, did you know you can be small as an ant?
Oh.
Well, drop some more and let's see how small we can get.
Okay, I guess so. I'm literally going flying right now. Just because I'm jumping. Bro, so small. You're so small. Even though I'm small.
Okay, I'll go use your backpack.
Oh
I
yeah,
can
put
have
that
some
on. I
food.
want to see how good. Okay, I like how you get like jump boost with this. It's pretty sick.
But LED gives me super boost.
Exactly. Whew. I can't believe believe they still have this elf outfit. I think they should get rid of it. Okay, I'm back.
Okay.
Thanks.
Wow! What? Give me my controller back.
Hold up. See here. Wait, hold up. Oh no, that's just that stuff.
Okay, I'm back.
Actually, I might just need one more for a zip gun. I think I'm gonna get that. I swear. Oh no, I might get the rocket launcher ammo. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna get that. Bro's eating chips. The crunch of chips, like, I just do not like it. It's just, yeah. Whoops, I meant to grab this instead of that. And see ya. RIP little bro that had to leave. Just gonna tell him my YouTube name after so he can eat it in a while. Yeah. Stay W for random dude in the chat. Finally, yeah, man. Okay. Now I'm gonna go boo. What's that? Oh, Blunt Force. Never mind. Okay. Okay. So guys, this is gonna be the end of the video. I hope you had fun watching, and yeah. So until next time, goodbye.